Welcome to Making a Call with Ring DNA. Whether you're working in Salesforce, browsing the web, or inside Ring DNA itself, making a call has never been easier. There are several ways to make calls. Anytime you see the Ring DNA icon, click the phone number to make a call using Ring DNA. Let's start inside of Salesforce. We're going to find those Ring DNA icons here next to the phone number field inside of Salesforce. When you select on the phone number and click, the Ring DNA module is going to reflect on the record that you have selected. In this case, we're going to see the lead record and the fields that are related to it. Next to the phone field, we're going to select on the phone icon found here to make a call. During or after a call, you can click on the Calls tool icon to enter your call notes. These notes are automatically saved to the Comments section of the Calls task in Salesforce. Don't forget to leave a disposition. This logs the general outcome of the call and updates the call results fields in Salesforce. We're going to go ahead and click on Save. Therefore, this can log into Salesforce. As mentioned, there are other ways that you can make call within Ring DNA itself. You can click on the Contacts icon to search for a Salesforce record and dial directly from the Ring DNA module itself. Now here, when we search for the record, we can see we have the phone and the phone icon again. When we click on this, we'll go ahead and make a call too. Let's say you're using Google Chrome to search for a company's phone number, whether it be directly inside of their web page or using LinkedIn Sales Navigator. You'll spot the same icon next to the phone numbers across the web pages, web apps, and even in your email. You can go ahead and click to call from anywhere you want to inside of the web page and again reflect the phone number. In this case, this is a phone number I don't have inside of my Salesforce. I can either add as a new record in Salesforce or I can attach it to an existing lead or contact inside of Salesforce. And that's it. We've uncovered the many ways which you can call using Ring DNA.